What is up, my friends? It's your girl, Pi DuVal, aka and today we are entering world number 1 of Tutts, aka beginner. In this world, we'll be going through different levels until we conquer that world. And then we will enter world number 2, also known as intermediate, and we shall conquer that world. So on and so forth. If you haven't already, go check out my video, Tutting 101, that will explain to you everything that you need to do to get ready to be an expert tutter. Super Mario tutters. Now, if you don't mind me, I need to get into the right clothes for world number 1. Oh, yes, queen. Yeah, Peachy's got it. All right, let's jump right into it. So we're gonna start with the first 2 moves. It's gonna be one hand up and then the other hand up. So we have 1 and 2. Again, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2. Awesome. The next move, we're gonna drop both of these hands down like this. However far apart you need to do to make it so that they are 2 right angles. And then we're gonna drop it down, rotating, closing this door. So making sure the fingers are in a nice straight line down there and not all cray-cray. Right hand up 1, left hand up 2. Break it right angle, drop it down. 5, 6, 7, and up, up, down together. Yes, 5, 6, 7, and up, up, down together. Amazing. 6, 7, one more. Up, up, down together. Yes, bitches. Try it with the music. So 5, 6, 7, and great job, you guys. All right, let's move on. So from here, we're gonna do 3 counts worth of rotating that to the regular praying hands, keeping the elbows out to the side, pressing your palms together, and keeping your fingers straight. Let's add that all together. Right hand and left hand, drop it angles together. 3 counts, 1, 2, 3. Last move is we're gonna connect the elbows 4. Straight up and down line, squeezing your elbows together. Let's try and do it nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 5, 6, 7 together, 8. Woohoo! Let's try it with some music. 5, 6, 7, and yay! All right, going on. The next move is just a hand. So you're gonna flex your right hand down and pull it out to create a half of a flower. We will then add the other side to create a full flower. So we have elbows together, right hand drops, left hand drops. You wanna try and get as much of a right angle as you can, because now keeping the wrists where they are, we're gonna bring it back up to here and here. So it ends up in this praying position pretty much in front of your face. So we have right hand, left hand, drop it down, connect the 2. Bring it all the way up, then close your elbows. Drop the right hand, drop the left hand, bring it up, bring it up. With the music, 5, 6, 7, and yes! Okay, going on. We are going to take the right hand and it's going to slide straight up and up on top of the left hand. Keeping those right angles and those elbows out, we're then going to drop the right hand down, boom, which will hit the left hand down now. So it goes from 2 hands up and it ends with the 2 hands down. It's almost like a trap door that you would find in a castle somewhere. You slide the right hand up to the top, drop it down, boom, drop it down. Boom. Awesome. Adding that from the beginning. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and right hand, left hand. Drop it down, bring it together, bring it 5, 6, 7. Elbows together, right hand, right elbow, bring it up, drop, drop. Let's do it with the music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and yeah, Peachy's got it. So now we have the right hand on top of the left hand. Keeping these angles, you're just going to rotate your shoulder and drop that right elbow down, keeping those lines, keeping the fingertips connected to the wrist. We're just gonna drop it down to here. Next thing we're gonna do, slide it together and press your left wrist into the right wrist. So you get a nice spoonage. You want to make sure that it's pressed in so that you don't have any like holes in there. So now we have right angle spoonage, and we're just going to take this right angle and we're going to go whoop over to the other side. Or right angle on the right to right angle on the left. Awesome. Let's add that together from the beginning, starting with the right hand up. 5, 6, 7, and right, and left, and down, together, 3 counts. Bring it 1, 2, 3, and elbows. Drop the right, drop the left, bring the right, bring the left, bring it up, drop it down, and down. Great. Now we rotate down, boom, close it, boom, bring it to the other side. Yes! Okay, let's add the music with that so it makes sense. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and yes, queens. That is level 1, you guys. All right, princesses, it's time to step it up a little bit and pass this level. Are you ready? 5, 6, 7, and congratulations, you have passed level 1. Oh my gosh, you guys, thank you again so much for coming out. I'd like to thank my number 1 fan, my mother, and of course my number 2 and my number 3 fans, my dogs, Bentley and Betsy. You guys are the best. Thank you for always being there.
Stay tuned for World 1, Level 2. This is your girl, Pi DuVal, and this is the Dancer Life.